Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Samsung Notes from your old phone to new phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Samsung Notes. Okay, let's say that this is my old phone and I'm going to transfer my Samsung Notes to my new phone. I'm going to open up the Notes application. And then just remember guys that we can only transfer the unlocked Samsung Notes. So make sure you have unlocked your notes before you transfer it to your new phone. Okay, and here if you want to select all notes, you just need to tap and hold on one of the notes, and then you can click on all like this, and all my notes have been selected, but I'm just going to transfer some of them. Since we can only transfer the unlocked notes, so I just want to select the unlocked notes. Okay, and after that we're going to go to the share menu, and here you will have some options guys. You can share note as Samsung Notes file, PDF file, Microsoft Word file, Microsoft PowerPoint file, image file, or text file. And I recommend you to share note as Samsung Notes file, so you will be able to open the notes on your Samsung Galaxy Notes in your new phone. Okay, and here you can choose the method you want to use to transfer your Samsung Notes. And to make the process faster, I recommend you to select quick share. Wait guys. Okay, you can select the quick share like this, and to use the quick share you need to turn on your Bluetooth and also your Wi-Fi, and you need to open the quick share on your new phone, and then your new phone's device will appear right here, and you can tap on the device to transfer your Samsung Galaxy Notes to your new phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transfer Samsung Notes from old phone to new phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.